Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Mike and welcome to my channel, Mike in the Kitchen. This is my first video. This is my first cooking video. I'm going to show you guys how to make turkey wings in the crock pot with Cajun and lemon pepper seasoning. This is a very easy meal to make, and the turkey wings does have a little spice, a little kick to it, but not too much to knock you off your feet. But they do taste delicious. So tune into the video and I'll show you how to make these delicious turkey wings. So here are the ingredients we're going to use. We're going to use a half an onion. We're going to use a half a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to use Kinder's lemon pepper. I love Kinder's, or you can use any lemon pepper seasoning of your choice. And we're going to use Cajun seasoning. So get your ingredients ready so we can get started. The first thing you want to do is get your turkey wings from the store or the butcher. These are already cleaned and washed, so after you get your turkey wings ready, prepped, place them in the crock pot. The next step we're going to do is add a half a tablespoon of olive oil, and we're going to drizzle it over the turkey wings. Now the reason why we're drizzling it over the turkey wing is to help improve the flavor and to keep the meat moist and to help prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. So on one side, you're going to drizzle a half a tablespoon of olive oil, and you're just going to rub your hands over it. You're just going to keep rubbing the turkey wings, rubbing the olive oil, and that's pretty much it for one side. Now you're going to flip the turkey wings over, and you're going to add another half a tablespoon, and you're going to drizzle it over the other side of the turkey wings. And you're going to do the same thing like you did at first. You're going to drizzle it over the turkey wings, and you're just going to rub that olive oil in. The next step, we're going to get our Cajun seasoning, and we're going to shake it all over the turkey wings. And we're going to make sure to cover it liberally, because you want to get all the spices. You want to get as much spice and seasoning all over the turkey wing as you can. Now we're going to get our lemon pepper seasoning and do the same thing. We're going to shake it all over the turkey wings. You want to get as much seasoning on all parts of the turkey wings so we can have it nice and tasty, and so it'll be delicious. So don't be afraid. And after we do that, we put the spice on. We're going to pat the spices on the turkey wings. We're just going to pat it down. Keep patting it down. After we finish patting down one side, we're going to flip the turkey wings over and just do the same thing. Shake your Cajun seasoning all over. And get your lemon pepper seasoning and do the same thing. Just keep shaking it all over. We want those turkey wings covered with as much seasoning as possible. And after we shake both the Cajun seasoning and the lemon pepper seasoning, we're just going to pat the seasoning down into the turkey wings. Now we have our seasoning all over the turkey wings. We're going to get our sliced onions. We're going to slice up that onion I showed you at the beginning, and we're just going to drop it into the pot for more taste. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this, but sometimes I like to do this just to add some more taste. But as I said, this is totally optional. Now that we have our turkey wings ready to go, nice and seasoned, we're going to turn on the crock pot on the low setting and let it cook for about 7 hours. Alright everyone, it's 7 hours later and our turkey wings are finished. Look at them. Don't they look good? Don't they look juicy? Fall off the bone juicy. These are very delicious, and I hope you guys' turkey wings, I hope they turned out well. I hope they turned out good, and I hope you enjoy them. If you enjoyed this recipe, you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe. Let me know how your turkey wings turned out. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for coming through. I hope to see you again soon, and take care.